Welcome to the Myco-Marvel lab. Come dive into the fungi world of mushrooms with us. Let's grow our knowledge together.
Yo, in the Myco-Marvel lab where the mushrooms chat. We've got fun guys and gals, no room for flat. Ask your questions, we're all ears. Mycology secrets revealed with cheers. Join the fungal freaks. Caps, spores, stems in a zany mash. We're digging deep, making a splash. So like, share, subscribe, be a Myco fan. In the Myco-Marvel lab where the fungus can. Step into the Myco-Marvel lab, take a seat where the mysteries of mushrooms will happily greet. To the Mushroom Network Patron fam, big and small. Together we'll explore, learn and enthrall. In the Myco-Marvel lab, yeah, we're having a blast. Discovering the wonders the fungi and surpass. So come on down, join the Myco clan. In the Myco-Marvel lab where the magic begins.
Welcome back to the Myco-Marvel lab, your go-to spot for all things fungal. I'm your host, Zach Gilman.
And I'm Nova Mycelia. Today we've got a lineup of fascinating mycological mysteries to unravel. Let's get to it. But hey, if you find yourself intrigued by the world of fungi,
Then show us some love. Smash that like button as if you're foraging for the rarest mushrooms in the wild.
feel that symbiotic connection with us? Then hit subscribe and become a vital part of our Myco-Marvel community. You won't miss a spore of excitement.
And don't forget to share our video. Spread the word like mycelium spreading through the forest floor. Who knows what hidden gems you'll help uncover.
Stay with us till the end. Just like a mushroom popping up overnight, something special might just appear in our show.
All right, let's see what our amazing patrons have cooked up for us in the world of fungi. Oh wow, Nova, you've got to see this. Our patrons are really digging deep into mycology.
Any intriguing ones catching your eye, Zach?
Absolutely. There's a question about slime mold, one on fungi and insects, oh, and this one about mushroom agroforestry methods. Our patrons are on a mycological roll. Ah, here's a gem. This one sounds super interesting, Nova. It's about the secrets of making the best spore prints. What do you think?
That's a fantastic start, Zach. Spore prints are not only essential for identification, but also a beautiful bridge between science and art.
Perfect. Let's dive into this one and uncover the art and science behind spore prints. All right, Nova, let's kick off with a spore-tacular bang. What are your top secrets for making the best spore prints?
Zach, creating spore prints is indeed a mix of art and science. For clear, intricate patterns, the aluminum foil method is perfect. And for those with an artistic flair, a petri dish can elevate a spore print to a masterpiece. The key is in the timing. Anywhere from 4 to 48 hours, depending on the mushroom species and your desired darkness. However, longer durations, especially beyond 24 hours, may lead to flaky prints, which is why for petri dish prints, a shorter range of 4 to 8 hours is recommended. This time frame captures the beauty without overaccumulation. And remember, even if the spores flake off, they're still perfectly viable. Or better yet, they make excellent slides to look under a microscope. Here's another Myco pro tip. A drop of water on the cap's center helps the mushroom continue spore production, enhancing the print's quality.
So we're basically mushroom Picassos with foil and petri dishes.
Precisely, Zach. But remember, not all spores play fair. Albino mushrooms with their almost invisible spores can be quite the challenge. They're like the ninjas of the spore world, stealthy and elusive.
Ninja mushrooms? Now that's a show I'd watch. But what about those who want to go beyond the common white and brown spores?
Variety is key. Some species, like the artist's conch, leave behind a stunning spore print. It's all about experimenting with different species. But mind you, some mushrooms are shy performers and might not leave a strong impression.
A true spore spectacle. But can we frame these prints like mushroom art for my living room?
Absolutely, Zach. Spore prints can be a fungi-filled addition to any art collection. Just be sure to properly preserve them to prevent any fungal growth or degradation.
Diving into the forest floor now. Nova, enlighten us about mushrooms mingling with trees. What's their role in agroforestry?
Zach, imagine a world beneath our feet, where mushrooms and tree roots collaborate in silent harmony. In agroforestry systems, fungi, particularly mycorrhizal types, form a network with tree roots. This symbiosis is all about give and take. Fungi receive carbon-rich sugars from trees, and in return, they offer water and nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen.
So they're like the underground brokers of the forest world, swapping resources?
Precisely. This partnership is key to sustainable farming practices. Mycorrhizal fungi help trees absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to healthier forests and improved crop yields. They're natural fertilizers, Zach, reducing the need for chemical inputs.
Mushrooms, the eco-friendly fertilizers. But is it just about nutrients?
There's more, Zach. These fungi also protect trees from pathogens, enhance soil structure, and even help in water management. It's a multifaceted relationship that's vital for ecosystem health and resilience. There's more.
Mushrooms, the unsung heroes of the woods. Who knew they were so versatile? Now let's untangle the web of fungi and plants. Nova, how do these two get along in the great outdoors?
It's a complex web, Zach. Fungi play diverse roles in plant health. On the beneficial side, mycorrhizal fungi are like the best friends of plants. They extend their roots, help them access water and nutrients, and even defend them against harmful pathogens.
So, some fungi are like the plant's personal bodyguards?
Exactly. But like any good drama, there's a flip side. Some fungi are less friendly and act as pathogens. They can cause plant diseases, leading to agricultural losses and ecosystem disruption.
Fungi, playing both the hero and the villain in the plant kingdom.
Indeed. It's this dual nature that makes fungi so fascinating. They can nurture or destroy, and understanding this balance is crucial for managing plant health, especially in agriculture.
All right, Nova. One of our patrons is curious about something pretty cool. Slime molds. They're wondering especially how these guys complete mazes. Are they part of the fungi family?
Slime molds are absolutely fascinating, and is one of my personal favorites, Zach. Once considered fungi, they're now in a unique kingdom of their own. But the maze thing, that's where they shine. They can navigate mazes to find the most efficient path to food. It's all about their remarkable ability to adapt and solve problems.
So they've got a kind of natural GPS going on?
Exactly. As single-celled organisms, they can move and change shape to explore their environment. When food's scarce, they can merge to form a larger structure, which can navigate through mazes, avoiding obstacles to find the shortest path to a food source.
Talk about being brainy without a brain.
And there's more. This ability isn't just a cool party trick. Scientists study slime molds to understand cellular communication and problem solving. Their behavior even inspires algorithms in robotics and computing.
So they're not just slime, they're super slime.
Indeed, Zach. Slime molds, like Physarum polycephalum, have become a subject of intense fascination. In lab settings, they demonstrate a unique form of intelligence. When placed in a maze with food at various points, these organisms can efficiently navigate and reorganize their cellular structure to form the shortest path to the food.
So they're like nature's little problem solvers, huh?
Absolutely. This behavior is not just about finding food, it's a sophisticated survival strategy. It challenges our traditional understanding of intelligence and problem solving. In robotics, scientists are using slime mold behavior as a blueprint to develop advanced navigation algorithms.
They're teaching robots how to think? That's mind-blowing.
It's a perfect example of how much we can learn from even the simplest organisms. In nature, slime molds play a crucial role in ecosystems, breaking down dead organic matter. But in science, they're opening new doors in computing and artificial intelligence.
All right, last but not least, let's buzz into the relationship between fungi and insects. What's going on there, Nova?
Zach, the world of fungi and insects is a microcosm of intrigue and complexity. Some fungi, like the infamous cordyceps, are known for their mind-controlling abilities on insects, essentially turning them into zombies for spore dispersal.
Mind control? Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, or even an HBO series.
It's incredible, and yet true. But that's just one side of the story. Many other fungi have mutualistic relationships with insects. For instance, some fungi help ants digest tough materials, and in return, ants help spread the fungi's spores.
So it's a bit like having roommates. Some are helpful, and others just take over the place.
Exactly, Zach. This interaction is vital for ecological balance. Fungi can influence insect behavior, population dynamics, and even ecosystem health. For example, certain fungi provide essential nutrients to insects, which in turn help pollinate plants.
Fungi and insects. Small players, big game in the ecosystem.
The interplay between fungi and insects goes even deeper, Zach. Some fungi, like those in the genus Ophiocordyceps, specifically target insects. They infect the insect, grow within it, and eventually take over its motor functions to reach an ideal location for spore release.
Creepy, yet fascinating. So they're like the puppeteers of the insect world.
Precisely. But let's not forget the beneficial relationships. Fungi like yeast are crucial for certain insects' diets, providing essential nutrients. In return, these insects aid in spreading yeast cells to new environments.
A classic case of, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours in nature.
And in some cases, fungi even protect their insect hosts from harmful pathogens. It's a remarkable display of mutualism where both parties benefit and thrive.
Nature's teamwork at its best, fungi and insects working together for survival. And that wraps up another spore-tastic episode of Myco-Marvel Lab. A big shout out. And thank you to our patrons for sending in these mind-boggling questions.
We love diving into the world of fungi with you. Remember, if you've got a burning mycology question, just scan this QR code right here and fire away.
And for those who've stuck with us, guess what? You're in for a treat. In the words of Fat Boy Slim, right here, right now, we're launching Myco Rewards. We'll be randomly releasing keywords in our episodes. Enter these on our website to earn Myco points and other cool stuff, just for being an awesome patron of the network. And with that said, this video's super not-so-secret code word to use is Spore Scout.
So now that you know about that, keep your eyes and ears open in our other videos. And if you haven't already, please give us a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. And become a free patron at themushroomnetwork.com. Your support means the world to us.
See you on the other side of the veil, fungal friends.